in a Mahindra and Mahindra company from past 13.5 years and as a lead engineer, and he has got 13.5 years of total experience and worked on the various projects such as body system, that is BIM, BIW, GSM, that is glass and steel mechanism for IC projects. And sir is also a faculty academicians as well as the industrial knowledge, and he is also having a lot of projects he is handled in the industry. And the prediction of structure Borney lies at early stage of product development of various engines, transmission, housing, gear, rattle, which saves the time and cost before the launch of the products. And Sarvanan sir has been completed Master of Science in Mechanical Engineering with a focus on development project lead of BIW, GSM, NVH, CAE, and system modeling field, the major roles with excellent performance. I welcome Sarvanan sir on behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, New Horizon College of Engineering, Bengaluru, to deliver the title on the case studies in enhancing sustainability and manufacturing efficiency. And sir is also published international and national Scopus Index journals in the reputed journals. And I will just hand over to the Sarvanan sir. Please start your session, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I hope it is audible, right?
Yes, sir. It is audible, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for the brief introduction about me. And before starting that, I just want to, thank for the giving the opportunity to sharing this knowledge for especially this topic, enhancing sustainability and manufacturing efficiency. So for this, Harrison, coordinator and principal and department head and participant, all faculty development. So thank you for joining for this. Before starting that, I can able to share some screen, so maybe it will be visible. Okay, is it? It is visible, right, for this session?
Yes, sir.
Just starting this session, just have a look on this, Newton first law of motions. I mean, you are all are doctors and professor and assistant professor. So what I'm thinking about this Newton first law of motions. See, I have seen, I don't have a time to, visit for all the, listen for all the faculty development programs which is conducted in the online. But I just seen for this, last session, I have seen that there are many of, topics which is involved in Industry 5.4. But when I'm thinking this was stated very clearly, everyone know that when the objectives will be a uniform motions, unless otherwise it's a disturbing any mass internal force. This everyone know that actually. So how it will be related to the topic. That's my see how I am looking on this. When the Newton first law, when the motions, it is not, if it is not disturbed, it will be in a constant motions. You will not get any force acting. But when you have a changes in this, when you have a disturbance, it will change the path, again it will continue. If you disturbance it, again it will change in the path and continue the another path. If you say this industrial revolutions already stated in Mr. Shanmugam, industrial 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So you take as F equal to ma. This acceleration, this is the first law in equation. A1 is industrial 1, A2, A3, A4, like that. Right now, we are currently in industrial 4.0. So now that equations, F is equal to mass and acceleration. Mass is a constant, right? This will be there. You just imagine it's the world. So F direction proportional to the revolution, the excitation of the force. Now, currently, we are in the revolutionary of in the 4.4, and we are looking forward in the 5. So similarly, we are their grand, Newton's It's stated the same continuous momentum we're taking forward in this session. So with that introductions, I will start my sessions. I hope you will understand that what is stated here is the excitation, the changes really required for the every, not only for the industrial, every individual life, the changes must to be required and give the another momentum of growth in our life, in your industry, whatever the field. So always keep in mind in our thing, this F equal to ME is one of the first law principle. It always play in our life to make the changes and give them pleasant of the growth on the industrial as well as our growth of our individual life. So with that introduction, I will start my session. Okay, right. So I think I hope this most probably now it is looks like I started my session actually now. So there are the enhancing sustainability and the manufacturing efficiency. See, now currently I'm just working in an automobile field. All in automobile sectors, there is a one, the program, not only the program, all the program, the project, which is always looking for the sustainability as well as the product, if more efficiency to be provided in the customer end. So exploring the many innovative ideas, strategies, and sustainability for the product, as well as many technologies are involved to optimize the manufacturing efficiency. This is what the content. This is everyone aligned. So our industry, our automobile industry, same towards that. So what I'm stating here in that presentation, I'm sharing the automobile environment and the manufacturing environment and design environment, how it will be there, how towards the sustainability, how working. That is contest we are going to be discussing the coming 1 hour. I'm going to the next one. I just before that. Okay. Right. So I'm just simply setting the context first. What is the enhancing sustainability and the manufacturing efficiency? So before starting that, let's have an image on this. Let's again, I have a pointer options. So current industry looks like. So when industry, I mean over the decade, I'm selling that. Now this industry, now the industry wastage, it is also in the part of this. How it will be move into the wastage using the wastage management system. Then how it is looks like the future, uh, predicting the manufacturing the car, how it looks like they're advancing in sustainable manufacturing in the future. So we are in the slope condition to moving from the industrial 1 to industrial 4 and 5. So making that the manufacturing as well as the what is the automobile field in the same slope. So this is what the single statement contest, what I'm trying to say. This is the way we are automobile field industrial are working. Before starting that, see some of the key parameters, which is I'm going to show the industrial sustainability, first of all, the manufacturing content, and then current challenges and opportunities, and what is the strategy and framework, and technology integration as well as the supply optimization. Then what will be the circular economy in the manufacturing, and energy management and reduction techniques, how it looks like. And then what will the evaluation matrix for the sustainability as well as the management, manufacturing efficiency. What are the wastage reduction strategies, techniques? What are the leadership sustainability in the automobile industry? Now in the current screenshot, what is the data analysis for the emission for the ICE vehicle as well as the ICE engine as well as electrical upcoming vehicle, or I mean renewable vehicle, whatever you say, there's in a technology adapted vehicle. And there will be a SWOT analysis, little bit of strategy on that. And what about if you make a collaboration, how the sustainability of the product, how we improve manufacturing efficiency? There are glimpses of information will be provided over here. This is a single statement contest. What I'm telling is always in automobile sector, in my field, everyone working towards the sustainability as well as the manufacturing efficiency point of view. Then before that, I want to, what is that sustainability? Everyone know this sustainability, three important parameter actually. So see this. So it is a capacity to meet the present need. without disturbing the future generations. Right now, whatever you are looking forward at, then whatever the product you delivered, whatever the customer user, that product does not have a impact. That means we can't avoid this 100%. There will be a minimal impact to be the environmental, and also avoidance of the depletion of natural resources. So this is a ecological balance. So all the sustainability point of view, all three important product. One is the present. You have to meet the capacity at the present demand and avoid the future environmental effect, and also natural resources use the minimum to create the maximum of environmental ecological balance product. That is we also called it the sustainability. It's a means actually. This is a way we are taking the top priority goal and working on the organizations. And manufacturing efficiency, how with this contest in system, how we increase the manufacturers efficiency. There are a lot of technologies involved in that, lot of from manufacturing processes streamlined, then a lot of speed of delivery, or a lot of analysis and simulation field to optimize that before manufacturing that. There are many lot of, if you take manufacturing efficiency itself, lot of 1 decade we have to explain that kind of the process optimization we are looking on that. And see this one of the important in the what is that three circle, and you see the sustainable, which is having the social as well as the economical as well as the environmental. So the main keyword of the automobile industry, whenever the product is out to deliver into the market, it should be not minimal impact, not much impact, minimal impact on environment, as well as is a social impact will also, but also this product have a economically it will be well without detouring the profit. So there is some acceptable level also there, an equitable level there, viable. Then there is a point that is this is a zone, is a very important zone we are looking forward on that. So for achieving those sustainability and manufacturing, so what else we need? See, so another point I want to do the manufacturing efficiency. If you manufacturing efficiency to achieve that, what is evaluate your production line? So what you each and every the production line, if you say the production multiple, each and a lot of disturbance with that. So disturbance for making the product in the line issue, field issue, concern issue, many of the issues will come. So how effectively to address this, but without affecting the productions? So there are a lot of sequential method and process evolved. Then if that at the identity and identify and eliminate the wastage, and quantify and organizing the everything, and improve the training practice, identify the bottlenecks. So these are the 5 pillars we have to consider and focused constantly and significantly given the improvement point to achieve the manufacturing. That for that, what else need actually? See, in industrial relevance. Now another point is industrial relevance. How the industrial maximum to reduce the carbon footprint of the product competitive, and also that product will be made with the automobile market. So minimum carbon footprint, and good leader also would be required for that. So now coming to this leading example, what is a leading example? If I think say lot of automobile organizations, say there's Tesla, Tata Motors, and Mahindra, all automobile sectors, they are taking as an what is that key acceptance for the sustainability to create the new innovative program, new innovative technology transfer from one phase to the another phase. They making more investment on the product, and then making the feasible. Those are the leading example. Means currently the whole automobile sector making as a challenge and doing this activity. What I am going to deliver in this first the presentation to maintain fixed sustainability and manufacturing efficiency achieved by lot of manufacturing process optimization process and leaders, one of the sustainable leaders and the industrials. Those are the concerns really important to make this happen. This is what I'm trying to say. And another one is another what is it? 1 minute. Current scenario. Okay. current challenging activity. 1 minute, this site control. Current challenge and the opportunities. What is the opportunities in the industrial now? So there are six impact, challenges and opportunities. First one is a environmental impact. So all faculty and everyone know this now. Currently, the global warming is there. Why the global warming is there? Because of the we are using for the gasoline, diesel engine vehicle, getting more, producing the more carbon dioxide, NOx and particulate matter, which is affect the environment. It is totally changing our weather conditions, everything. Then not only for this greenhouse manufacturing, the process, different battery manufacturing process, even hot stamping material from raw material to converting it into the product. There are a lot of industries involved in this. This also create a more polluted air. So next one is the end of life disposal. That is also when you say what is that, after using the material product we can dispose that. That is also given the in environmental impact. Another one is the economical pressure. Economical pressure also very much important in the industrial, because when raw materials and the labors, transportation charge, so transportation, it will increase the material cost. When increase the material cost, the product of the whatever delivered the product, that cost also increased. When that cost, now every industry, if you check that in automobile industry, a lot of competitor vehicle are available in the market. The product will be reasonable. I think even better performance, lower the price, always the customer expect that. So these are the pressure the industrial have in the mind to produce the product which is have a without deterring the performance, without compromising any the quality. So reach the customer with minimum price. That is a major challenge on that. That is also. And then and after that, that is also regulatory changes also there. In that we have to meet the environmental criteria. Those are the boundary condition which always given the pressure to the organization to make the product in the better way. That is one of the major pressure they are facing the challenges. Another one is the political conflict hinder in supply network. This is everyone know that actually the political also is play a major role. Suppose some rules passing, some transportation, some what do you call this disrupt in transportation rate, then tax. Those are will be the political hindrance to hinder the supply chain network and affecting the trade agreement and causing a delivery delay, threatening the global supply chain. So the other factor, natural disaster. These are the another challenges the industrial are facing to make in a proper the product. So there are the circumstance to face that. Another, if you say that if you make it another is the transition of the electrical vehicle. Now in current industry, now if you see this transition to the electrical vehicle in the Indian market, so recently first to 5 years or 6 years only we are talking about an electrical vehicle. When you go to the European continent in USA, those are will be 5-10 years advanced. They are always established in the electrical vehicle. So in adopting the technology, adopting the technology and software, everything in India taking for 10 years lag on this. Let's say for industrial 4.4, now it is currently we are in the stage of learning implementation, making to all the things. But earlier in European countries already they established, they're going for again. So what I'm trying to say, the challenges is right, adopting the new technology. These are the opportunity to make an ICE to the EV to the hybrid. These are the growth, exponential growth will go on this. That is an opportunity there. Another one, okay. So industrial leaders. So you have to face the challenges, and then you have to get the opportunities. Which both the things will happen. What we need actually is a sustainability leader, the important leader, the leader who's think about the sustainability and Indian efficiency, manufacturing efficiency point of view. He has capable always think in the future of the product, and then making those are the predominant challenges and then opportunity involved in this uh, current industrial and making the better of the product. That is also one of the important leader is important for that. And then labor shortage, of course. See, now the transition period when all are in mechanical engineering, for example, everyone mechanical engineer, electrical, many things. So adapting the new technology, who are working in the current scenario, so adapting the new technology, it is, takes a time to that. So when you search immediately, if you implemented the transition technology into the automobile, so people need the well qualified experienced person needed. So that labor shortage is also one of the important. And then making the software understanding, software development, incorporating all the technologies into the product, that is also taking a time. So these are the challenges and opportunities are currently in automobile sector is facing to make this product and manufacturing. This is a one. So as of now, so this is a challenges, again I'm summarizing this: environmental impact, economical pressure, and then political hindrance, and then labor shortage. Those are the major challenges. And then opportunities are developing, adapting the new technology, and industrial leaders, new leaders really invitable to make it to happen on this. So next I will go to the corporate strategy and framework. So what is this, what are the strategies? I'm just giving the glimpse of this. Every organization, every automobile OEM, so they have the individual framework and individual business tool to make this. For example, see, framework already, that's a tool. It's a tool. It will be align the business and give the environmental and social and economical goal with their strategies and operation performance. That means every individual organization having their own strategy, and their own strategy which is achieve the business, which is give the minimal impact to the environmental product, and economically it will be profitable. Those are the major one. If you see this simple scenario of this one, social responsibility mindset. Another one, good corporate governance. These two are is a major important. So when you see in that, the people development and the customer experience and the long-term partnership and environmental impact. See, when you see this one, the strategy, if you want, so social responsibility mindset. So who are the leader, who are the people developers, so developing the people which is having the mindset, having the responsibility. So we are the accountable for the product, whatever the product we are making and giving to this customer. So they should have the capability, they should have the ethical practice, they should have knowledge about the sustainability, they should have all long-term thinking of the framework. So who are the strategy developed, that leader should have, the people have to develop it in such a way that they will think and deliver the product in such a way manner. And also that customer experiences, whatever you delivered, and the customer, they really want the same, aligned with the same, the pace, whatever they required for the sustainability, the same they also think about it, they are the mindful of that. And then so long-term partnership. See, why it is a long-term partnership? See, when you sector to produce the product, there are different chain management will be appear. So the partnership and collaborations, it will be lead the sustainable product. And another one, environmental impact. So those three parameter will involve and give this a good product which is minimal impact to the environmental. And also risk mitigation. See, risk mitigation, one of the companies should take the steps to mitigate the risk, such as by setting the contractual residual value for the leased vehicle on this. Okay, so this is a strategy. It is, I'm just give the glimpse of that. So I'm not sharing completely what in the industrial, every organization. I'm just one of working on the organization, not sharing that. Just a glimpse of that one. Another one is a technology integration and supply chain management. At this name itself stated, Technology integration. Everyone aware of this. Every people having the mobile, which is having the internet, many of things. So how quickly? I think I heard one of the technical section people using AI in getting proceeded. They are easily available the source, but the point here is how that source will be incorporated in your field. That is a very much important for that. So integration of the tool, which systems, what do you say? Uh, it streamlining the process and optimizes the process and making a good product of this. So this technology work well within the system and reduce the cost of the investment. And technology integration requires the strategical planning and coordination and the communication across all levels. I want to say one statement for here. When you all engineers, all develop, doctors and everything. So innovations, we really record for the innovations. How you develop your innovation? When you are going to invest in more and more, you will get the innovations. But that innovation of that product, whatever the innovation you created, that going to be implemented to the end customer. If you implemented again that innovation to make the cost, ultimately the profit, it will be the main. If you spend over money to create the innovation, that innovation, if you invest into the market, that is a reasonable price that will give the profit to the customer or the end user. That will be minimum price. If the cost is more, there is no useless of that. So that what I'm trying to say, whatever the technology innovation you are created, which should be a minimum profit, minimum. I mean, it's not a costly. When you invest the innovation, I mean, invest in the market, but by producing the car which is 80 lakhs, 20 lakhs, 1 crore in Indian market, no one will buy that. If you say this in our in Mahendra and Mahendra, we can take this. You launch the electrical vehicle. There is a two vehicle good product, super product we launched that. The price, if you're looking and compete with the other global market, how the price is so much. There are one third of price is saving. How? This is because of that strategy we planned it. How it will be evolved it, how that innovation will be placed into the market. It's a minimum price that only the people and customers will be users. That is what is the technology integration. We build that kind of confidential, that kind of in technology transfer in the system to make this happen, the product in the better way. In this, see in this way, I think many of this whole 6 day program, people will talk about the industrial Internet of Things and AI, and then blockchain technology and predictive maintenance, and then energy tracking. This I want to tell you some of the glimpse of this idea. So Internet of Industrial Things. See, when you get any kind of information, if you want that, so you can easily get it in the net, and then you can. This is real data scenario. We can do that. Everyone do that. Artificial intelligence. Everyone knows this. Artificial AI tools are using everywhere, not only for the presentation making or document preparations, but in automobile, in manufacturing point of view, not only the manufacturing in simulation work, design the CAD work, simulation work, CA analysis work, all the work, they will use the tool. So we are in the difference. So these are the software, how effectively, where you want to put it, how you put it, then how you get the outcome of this. That is a major important things. So another one, blockchain technology, predictive maintenance technology. Predictive maintenance technology, this is one of the statement which is say this, Internet of Things and AI will give the future prediction failure. So normally, for 10, 15 years back, when you launch the vehicle or before launch the vehicle, we have to do the lot of trials, lot of testing, lot of simulation activity, lot of correlations. We have invested in crore and crore and get it out of that. But we're using this one and case studies. Using this case study, we have to evaluate that scenario and pinpoint the problem where it is occurred before launching the product, before spending the test, because test itself making a huge cost. So before that, in simulation itself, we can predict it. So this will be very much helpful for our organization, not only the whole global organization, to predict the failure before launching. That will helps to streamline our the product and then making in a proper way and put it into the right line, right path, and make the product into product and deliver to the customer. So technology integration is the most important, not only in the present day, in future also. It is adapting and evolving, and changes also incorporating and making the better product of this line. Again, you see, remember here is the first law principle coming into the picture. And then another one is supply chain management. So in that supply chain management, I can have one more presentation on this. Including this one, I want to put it in this in a better way manner. People will understand this, because in industrial how it is looks like going to be happen. See, this is actually, I want to say, supply chain management. In automobile sector, not only one department is not there. Every like a chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, supply source management, and then tier one company, tier two company, um, the lot of cross-functional teams involved. If you see the end on the road, one vehicle, if you see, there are many people, many department, many source finance, all are involved in the problem, involved and then delivered it. So why I'm showing here is, as before that, you just set the contest. I'm setting the contest how the vehicle has to be coming to the customer. Before that, what will happen? What are the department, how they are designing, how they are getting to the so when you see this a product concept development, see this product we can call as a PDB, data book. So in data book, what will say, all the clumps of information will be coming to the picture. So this is a major zone. This is an initial stage. When you going to be design, or when you're going to be launch the product 5 years before, we have to put it in the data book and design this target. What exactly we want, that what kind of vehicle we want, and what range, what speed, what is the power, what is the stylish, how much capacity, how much length, what is the wheel, all kind of CC. In this scenario, we'll have that. See, there are some hard points we'll define in the PD product data book itself. First, understanding point of view, how the automobile sector is making the product in the come across the stage. How what are the stage? That is the initial stage. This initial stage itself fixing the hard points. See, wheel, base, front overhang, rear overhang. These are the automobile. You can see this overall height, ground clearance, what is the submeter length, what are the style, we want the fuel tank, how vacuum piping, windshield, water shield, everything. And then in that department, think about it. Are we developing the vehicle platform that has the characteristic and feature that the customer want? So here the customer input, the customer department, service department, customer department is involved very much. What the customer feel about it. There are a lot of studies and reviews, or we're taking into the account what exactly they're making. Each and every point we note it over here, and sorting out the issue and putting the target line for in the beginning of the product. So do you have a capability? So all the first you list out the category, then we think about, do you have the capability and the resource for that? Can we meet the target volumes when we launched it? Can we meet the target reliability and regularity requirements and performance requirements? In plan the budget, everything. Can we develop the vehicle in the concept? So we have asked so many questions, and then making the project and making the timeline, whether we need, how much value we need to do, how much we are going to succeed in the market, what what is the gap of in the market, other competitive vehicle, how it is like, so where we are going to fit it in our product, what is the torque range, what will be the power range, what is the transmission, which transmission, 5-speed or 6-speed, which engine, 3-liter or 1.2-liter or 4-liter engine, how looks like the vehicle, or stylish, all are designed in the beginning stage. Then after that, all the everything will be fixed it, then we will kick off that project. After kick off the project, with styling team, we have called the design studio team. It will set the styling. Only the surface. We don't have any engineering there. After making the stylish it comes to the engineering department. The engineering department, they will use the design point of view. Each and every section, a BAW point of view. Engine development will be different torque. It will be depends on the torque, and then power oriented engine has to be developed that. And transmission, what is the torque range? If you want a 350 meter, 250 meter, 120 meter, or 520 meter, what is a gear? All kind of that is another department. So engine and transmission, another one, HVAC system, say this air cooling, that is another department. They pay, because on the PDP data book, they will do the another department. And then design, all have a PAW point of view. What are the material, all the things they will use. Different softwares, CATIA. So CATIA is a design software, not only all the software, simulation softwares, every design has to be freezed. Then that will be handed over to the analyzing field. They will analyze with a lot of DVP. We can call it a design verification plan. Each and every component when you saw in the market or on outside, everything's having the verification plan, the stress plan, how stress, right, when it's loaded, how it is, each and every, the list of DVP to be cleared with that a certain kind of a threshold needed to meet that for each and every program. So after design went to the simulation field. After the simulation, then you'll again come back to the design modification. After the design modification, that diagram, that CAD has to be freezed and sent to the manufacturing team. Again, here a major role in the manufacturing team. Manufacturing team involved in the design, and then they'll have a n number of constraints, n number of field failure, how to arrest it. So after that, it will come to solving the manufacturing, then it will go into the production line. In production line, there are a lot of problems. So what I'm trying to say, the part of the product, the part of the each and every department, the sustainability and enhancement of manufacturing efficiency involved it. So when it will be fixed in the sustainability, when the BDP data book itself, the product development initial stage itself, this is the scenario, this is the pollution control, this is the pollution norms, this everything will be fixed on the data first initial itself. Based on the target only, we are working along the product and then making things will happen this. So each and every department is like ocean. We can explain many case studies on this. So just for the glimpse for understanding for the all the faculty which are joined here, I'm just explaining on this. Just simply go through in this. Some of the vehicle over length, the wheelbase, I said now how much over length, how much. But one thing I want to note, pointed out here, whatever you studied engineering field, all the principles and all the theorems, here it is applicable. When you love the subject, you will know this how where it will be applicable. Each and every, very simple and basic. If it's in engineering, mathematics, not only for the engineering, all the department is involved in this. So applicable in each and theory also here. So some of the vehicle architecture how we are making. Then I said this CATIA is a design point of view. I'm telling how the wheel arch. These are some software we are using to make it over here, and the stylish how the initial caps. I don't want to make it more and more for this for my studies. So this is for the surface I said now before in PDB. Then we will go to the styling team. Styling team will develop the stylish surface. This having not a CAD design. It's now it is only the surface. How appearance aesthetically it will be good or bad. Then after that it come to the design point of this is a styling how they will do the cache surface, how the core will be there. Then these are some cache surface will generated. Then this is one of the important thing in BAW. We create the section. First section we make it. Based on section we develop the CAD. This is section point of view, right? This all are in a design qualification analysis will be involved in this. Why I'm telling this now? These are before manufacturing will be happen in the R&D. All the things will be added. So this is a section point of view. Then I'm just telling interior and exterior. Another one of the biggest important interior trim, exterior trim. When interior trim people enter, customer entering into the system and feels like a heaven. So what a beautiful When customer sitting on the vehicle, what a ride and handling, how it will be looks like. Wow, wonderful product. So if you customer feel comfortable, so how the engineering is involved in the back end in a sustainable manner. That is would be very much important. So when you study it in the papers, I mean, when you look into the, I know, the theory how evolved in this automobile industry and given the better product, that is also the major good things on this. So then, powertrain, electrical, brakes is one of the important. So now ABS, lot of brake, steering system, suspension system. There are different multi-link, watts link, multi-link. There are how it will be when you go in the speed hump. Those are the design point of view involved. Not only the design and simulation also involved. All the things involved, and then analyze, then finally enter into the product. So this is a first just a glimpse. These are some kind of NVH analysis we are doing. NVH analysis is NVH is a most important critical phenomena where the customer will be feel it as a good. So how much the vibration phenomena will be will be major role. That is also important. So product, not only the product, considering all the factor and making a good things, is a very difficult job, but we enjoyed and then given the product. So before that, this has come to manufacturing team doing this. When you stamping the parts, when you stamping, see, when you stamping the parts, what are the, see, it looks like this. How stamp, whether the part will be manufactured or not. When you stamping, when it tear is happened, see, those red part area is a tearing area. Formability, less formability. So if you see this, why this coming, then material is a problem. What is the material? When material milled, there are just different type of materials out there. We can material team say for a M1, what do you say, this high strength steel, low strength steel, different grade, different yield point, different elongation point, everything will be involved there. So before making the product, you do the simulation, everything, then win that. So what this process says is optimizing the simulation process and optimizing the manufacturing process and giving the product. This is what I want to say and conclude this one. And there is coming the fixture. This is called the fixture. You can say this is a fixture. Fixture means when you do the production line, they will fix the parts. There's a sequential line. I'm not having the video to show that, but this is the fixture locating the part and assembling all the thing will be happen in the production line. So just for the glimpse. So before then coming to the my section now. I hope what I said as of now. Okay, what I said as of now. Uh, what is the in automobile sector? How it will be the product coming to the customer end. First, I said as a product data book, and then second, I said that as a styling team to surface that, and third, I said as a engineering team develop the CAD, and fourth, I said it went for the simulation. Again, coming for the fine tuning for the design team. Once it's like the design freeze, is going for the manufacturing team. Manufacturing team will be check the manufacturing feasibility. Again, the feedback coming to the design team. Again, design to be modified the CAD accordingly, and then after to the going for the stamping. Then stamping after each and every part stamp, and then went for the production line. And then production line will be all the production, not only the body line. So when it comes to the body line, will be there. Body line entire volume will save the body, and then will coming for the paint shop will come paint, and then will come to the TCF. TCF is the trim fitment chassis and fitment department. So what will happen once the volume package done, then it's come to the TCF line. TCF means trim chassis fitment. Trim means interior parts will fit it, and then engine mounted and suspension mounted, everything will be happen on this. And finally coming to the PVT. PVT is a plant vehicle team. They will check the vehicle. Again, they will come reporting the concern. We'll solve it. This is a line which is the production I'm just going to say, but I don't have the flow of chart, but I'm telling for the way. So I hope people are following to understand this one. Then now coming to the point for supply chain management. So I'm telling the process of how the car is manufactured. Then before that, this is a tire tree. Tire tree is a steel, rubber, plastic, silica. These are the material. Okay, the material teams give the code. This is a material I want that. Then this tire two, the components is a supplier. We can the tire two, they are the supplier. They always a supplier to the Mahindra. We can give the code, we can give the design. What I exactly I want, we want that. we can put the criteria, set the goal and everything, target and TVP, everything fixed. They will, based on that, they will engineer it and then given the product to the Mahindra. So Mahindra will take all the product and put it in the assembly parts and giving the production, sub-assembly, painting, most of it. So the supply chain optimization is one of the most important in industrial 4.0 to making the sustainable product, which increasing the manufacturing efficiency. See how effectively to handle the chain management, that is the most important criteria. Then next is the circular economy and the manufacturing. See, circular economy means is one of the techniques. Always we talk about this theme. It's a systematic approach to reduce the waste and extend the life of automobile product. But also this will include the circular economy also. So mainly we talk about the reusability and recyclability. So using this economy model, we can minimize the wastage and create a sustainable life cycle for the vehicle and benefiting the both manufacturing and their customers. Okay, let's see this one of the best the notations, understanding this. We extracting the raw material and creating the manufacture, using the manufacture the product. So always we think about it. Always you think about how the product has to be reusable. Recycling is possible. Nowadays, I think in current scenario, people are trying to optimize it and reuse. Think about the reusable. So it is also to one of the to reduce the pollution and increasing the product life vehicle and having the cost benefit also. This is a circle. So this is also mainly important to in that topic on this. He said, important thumb rules is reuse, recycling, and waste reduction, and then product reuse. So another one, energy management reduction. See, energy management reductions, again, this whatever I stated at the field, whatever I stated at the in the upcoming earlier slide I stated now, all the department, energy is one of the major source. We can to monitor. It's a so to save this, and also it's a greater impact on this. We have to do the another management. I mean, energy management reduction technique also we can use this actually. Let me see this. Um, there are four monitoring energy usage. See nowadays in our field or in own individual life also, you think about our economy as energy. So when I have a 10,000 rupees, I know how optimize I can use it. I could not, it will be, throwing like, we are not throwing like that. See, we think about it always, this economy, energy is the money, a profit, which is really essential now. That is a point we can think about and adopt this one, monitoring energy usage. You can see how the energy flow is there, how the maximum more energy consumption where it is. Then what are the alternative source of that? Then how using the bulk, suppose if you're in automobile sector, no, when vehicle weight I can maximum, for example I'm telling the total this much weight, I say for example x amount of weight, so it's a very bulkier. It's not giving that efficiency. It what is the mileage is not giving. So industrial concern about mileage also. So small utility vehicle, commercial utility vehicle, CV vehicle, commercial vehicle, passenger segment, all the consumer mileage. People will buy within 1 liter. I need to 25 kilometers to travel. So how to achieve the automobile sector? So they have to fine tune the process. They want to make it a chain management. You want to the process optimization. They want to do for all lightweight material. But if you lightweight material make it now without detouring the performance, reading this, if you make a vehicle in lightweight, it should meet the RI. RI means what is that? There is a automobile rating, crash rating, homologation thing. You can say that 5-star rating, 3-star rating. That you have to make that. So using the light material, more strength, and giving the more mileage, giving the product. So the energy. So this energy management and reduction techniques also every automobile sector having that and making the product in such a way that. Another one, evaluation matrix for the sustainability. This is already stated. sustainability, it is having the three environmental metrics as well as social metrics as well as economic metrics. So sustainability, everybody know for I think what I stated a couple of slide, reducing the carbon footprint, energy consumption, water usage, and waste management, and greenhouse and gas emission, biodiversity impact, and social impact metrics, and ecological footprint. These are involved. These are the we are practicing this in future also. It is now maybe that the usage of this usage of that technology, whatever I'm stated, will be less, but it is in future it is going 100% full efficient manner. And similarly, I can already stated the environmental footprint. It is having a minimum carbon dioxide emission. This what I stated in automobile right now, BS 6.2. Earlier it's BS 6.1, and earlier the BS means Bharat State norms, emission norms. So in emission norms, we can BS 6.2 be providing the urea tank to the all emission control, to outcoming noise have a less particle matters and NOx and carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide for that. So we are producing. So now the scenario is changing now. So now all ICE vehicle also existing in the automobile industry, but also we are working towards an electrical vehicle also. So emission, it is also emission point of view. We can also to look in the consent to make the product in such a way that because of that this is a employee. So social impact, social metrics is also involved is the end customer. End customer, they have to satisfy, they have to making a more comfortable, so they have to spend less money and get a good comfort. That is what everyone will like, that less money getting a good features. This is what they want. So we are also delivering the product in such a way that so you can see any Mahindra car also, it is satisfying this ergonomous point of view and software attacks in a software point of view is succeeding that actually. So we can make it in that such a way that we are working on that. Another one is the economic. So another is a major important is a matrix involved is the economical point of view. So we have to learn the money also. We have to get back the money from the profit. That is also we are making over there. Then after that, it's go to the evaluation matrix for manufacturing efficiency. So I can say this three important parameter. One is a production cost analysis and time efficiency and quality assurance. So these are the three pillars which is really required to increasing the manufacturing efficiency. Production cost analysis. What you will do with the production cost analysis? What are this? So in production point of view, how to streamline the production process, how much involving the automation in the production plant, how much will cost save that, how much direct cost. So this is we have to do the costing, because major cost involvement happen in the production people see this a real feel of that. R&D people won't have that much clarity, but production people having that one. So that is what production cost analysis is much more important. And then time efficiency. Time efficiency not only for an automobile sector, time efficiency really required for each and every individual life people also. So if you trivialize our individual life, the things when you're coming to the office, we have to have a plan, straight plan. What are the schedule today? What is a task today? What you need to do? What are the problem comes? Scheduling that. The scheduling plan, if you have individually the same time efficiency, never ever compromise any corporate sector. They want to deliver the product in on time. They have a strategical plan for that. So set a schedule, prioritize the talk, minimize the discussion. These evolved in this automobile sector, not a corporate company, and they're practicing this. Another one is a quality control and quality assurance. So this is a quality assurance, quality control is upfront of the customer. Customer first to say, oh, wow, it's good, the quality is good. So how you achieve that? The quality principle, lot of quality control, lot of principle, lot of analysis, lot of concern. We tested many vehicle, giving the vehicle to the customer, getting the feedback to them, again resolving this issue, to finally reach the customer, they will have very happy. So these are the very important pillars to make the product in an efficient manner. That is, we can call as a 3x3 matrix. We can say this: production and time and quality. So evaluation, that's what the metrics I will say that. Okay. The next I'll go to the waste reduction techniques. I think this is one of the we can use this strategy in operation business benefits. See this one the thing slide. I think we'll move over here. See how the raw material procurement coming, and then it is a manufacturing the products, reducing the wastage production, limiting wastage in landfill, and then distribute that. Again, use the product. I can reuse the product, recycling. So wastage reduction and the recycling, it is really required for the every industrial and also every human being also for that. So why this stated, as I will come into the next point, then I will tell that. Another one. Another one. So here, another important things, when you want to achieve this one, when you want to achieve the industrial 4.4, industrial sustainable advancement and manufacturing efficiency, what kind of leadership we want that? Leadership should have the quality, what kind of quality we have. So first, I want to tell you that leadership should have this. What are the things we follow this? Electrical vehicle development, already stated that. So we have to prioritize that. So Mahendra is organization, it's a prioritizing that within the 2 years we deliver the product. Not only for that, we have a lot of upcoming program. Similarly, all automobile sector is a competitive vehicle when they also set and target the same way. And then supply chain sustainability. So leadership have the knowledge on the sustainability and that chain management thing. So enforcing the sustainability standard across the entire supply chain, ensuring the supplier to prioritize the environmental responsibility. And then already stated circular economy practice, reusage, usage, recycling. These are much more important. That leader has to be there. So every people development should have this. And then sustainable material sourcing already for material source, most probably localize the material and recycle the material, think about wastage, how to make it, that is also that. Then policy advocacy and transparency for reporting to that, and manufacturing optimization, these are really required for the for the leadership, sustainable leader needed, and then to achieve the sustainable product in the current scenario. So this is what take it up on. Another one I just want to see. Okay, now as of now, what I state. So what are the as of now we discussed about the sustainable enhancing and manufacturing efficiency topic. We talk about the what is the sustainability, what is the manufacturing efficiency. We talk about the what is a current scenario, what is a challenging and opportunity. We started talk about it, and then we talk about the how the product cycle, how it is looks like, and then we talk about supply chain management, we talk about it, and then we talk about the what is a sustainable matrix for the manufacturing, what is a manufacturing evaluation matrix for manufacturing efficiency, evaluation matrix for the sustainability. Those are we studied on this. Then after that, finally we speak about sustainability leader. What are how the sustainability leader need that? What is the capability? And before that, we talk about technological integration. How do we integrate the technology? How we adopt the technology in this? There are a lot of things will be there in that. So okay, now fine. So all the things will be fine now. Now it will be data, just for the glimpse of this. Data analysis for carbon dioxide emissions in the automobile field. See why we are going for different, IC engine, electrical. Main focus is the affecting the environment. So we need the carbon dioxide. We need the which is not having a super source without polluting the environment. So now see Tesla is also going water hydrogen engine. One step ahead, energy world. They are making in more and more and more in above and above. Let's say, coming to the point here, data analysis. One case study I just want to, I think I will have taken from the net only. See, when you compare the electrical vehicle, we just mentioned, I am just mentioned here, in electrical vehicle, battery production and car production and fuel and see when you see these are the electrical vehicle. These are the car production, the pollutant, how it will be polluted at this. And then the fuel economy, fuel and the efficiency, how it will be reducing. See, another one will be say that carbon dioxide emission for the electric vehicle car. So what do you understand? Single statement from taken from here. Electrical vehicle, when initial making the production, it produces a n number of amount of pollution is higher compared to the ICE vehicle, internal combustion vehicle at initial stage. Over the 10 years, when electrical vehicle not giving any pollutant, but the ICE vehicle giving the more emissions. That is what it says. Electrical always, when you say this, 1 second. So when you point out here, the production of EV emits more than the petrol of gasoline engine. But when a lifespan if you're moving, EV is much better than the ICE vehicle. So when a battery disposal, those are initial stage only EV is having the high pollutant, but after over the period it will be less. That's why the people are focusing on EV vehicle. But in our industrial, our Indian market, CV is not establishing because of this sort of service stations, sort of many concern is there. So now we are targeting in the urban area. Then later on will be more on this. I think we'll be noted down this. Some of the example for this, for the emission point of view, protection point of view. When you check about it, the 2015, 2020, this the emission tons, how it is, the Tesla EV vehicle, how it is reduced initially 1.2, then days goes on, how it is looks like. For your reference, for understanding point of view, I'm just putting over that. And then I'm moving to the methodology. Methodology for the assessing the sustainability. Very important things. See this again, it is ruling out the same statement repeatedly. When you have the picture on this, it will be clear understanding this social impact, economical impact, environmental impact, and resource impact. See, methodology for assessing sustainability and efficiency, manufacturing efficiency means as a leader, as an automobile or any production company, anything. These are four pillars we have to take into account and keep it in the top of mind, and then using the technology similar with that to make the product in such a way. That is your point. We want to say that, especially which is making the product which is not going to affect the product cost point of view. We want to survive in the market. We want to get it out the product profit. We want to give the product in the very in good performance, good stylish, make a happy the end customer. So these are the, I don't want to study for all the things. Let me see on this way. Another one is next, technology innovation in the automobile industry. Wow, there is another important, good, technology innovations. Let me one by one. I will go that. Let me see this. Look, see here, technology innovation. As I said earlier, contribution of artificial intelligence and industry of Internet of Things. So what is this two? It's even major phenomena. So we are using this one, getting out that, getting the best of that, involving this each and every department and introducing the new technology, creating an innovative idea and making it to the product like that. Then I've said to the second one, Tesla leadership. So I'm just giving the example for a Tesla, how it is evolving, that how they are integrating the cutting the edge and technology into the vehicle and setting the industry standard. And then use of advanced, automobile, advanced AI technology used to do that, international supply chain management and vehicle performance, and enhancing the manufacturing, a role of technological innovations. So what those steps are actually, this is a point I want to say from here. Technology innovation, it really matters to make the product in a market in the sustainable, without enhancing the product. So AI technology, role technology, enhancing the manufacturing efficiency, vehicle performance. We don't want to compromise in the vehicle performance. See, if you given the best out of the best, again, if the next launch will give the again the best out of the best. We have tearing our boundary and thinking beyond the limit. What customer wants and what give the differentiate the base and the new product. We are always thinking in the point of view. Not only I'm just about the company, I'm just organizing point of view, automobile, what best customer want that. How comfortable the people thinking about, how it will bring into the technology and put it into the reality. So what is the technology? These are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parameter always to be really required in the automobile field. That's what I'm telling this on this field. Then based on this involvement, you will get the best benefit of that. Okay. Another important one is I think SWOT. SWOT is the strength and weak and the opportunity and the threat. So it is not only for the automobile field. We can also use our individual growth plan also. See, this is I want to say it examine SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis, why I'm putting over here in the faculty development program is not only for the industrial having this program, this the strategy also followed in for each and every individual activity, and then the students we can to convey this one. Whatever the strength, what is the weakness, what is the opportunity, what are the threats. So we can, so this is actually, I'm just taking about the sustainability product. So what is the strength we want to do? Strength always in a good greener product strength. Okay, what is the weakness? So weakness is means I could not be able to give the good greener product. Always some kind of impact in the society. That is a weakness. Always a weakness in this. What is the opportunity? So how to achieve this opportunity? So opportunity means I can the external factor that can be leveraged in sustainability. I can involve the new opportunity, new regulations, new things will be involved to the system with the government norms on this. Thread is one of the important parameter which is influencing all the three things, all the 3 points. Thread. So whether negatively the impact and sustainable, like increasing the competition, uncertainty, all the problems. These are the thread. Whether a parts are easy, whether it is possible to manufacturable, whether material is available, whether you can reach the product. These are the thread. So but initial stage, if you put a SWOT analysis, we can call it a SWOT. The SWOT analysis, we can produce this kind of strength, weakness, opportunity, threat. Then we planned our activity in such a way that each and every product, we analyze that and give the better one. That it is not only for here, the SWOT will also help individual also. SWOT will also help for any program. These are one of the strategies we are following and then doing this analysis. Another one is a collaborations. Collaborations, it is again is a theory which is I'm trying to say. Collaboration, it is one of the important significant role in each and every industrial field. Without collaborations in automobile industry for a tier 1, tier 2 supplier or different department, internal CFT cross-functional team, without the collaboration we could not able to achieve the proper profit product. So what is needed, that is what I'm stated over here. Importance for the collaboration already stated that. And OEM strategy, this is I already stated. OEM always having the technology transfer from one organization to another organization. How you compete, how you are there, what technology you're using. That collaboration really required. That collaborations, it is create the innovations, join together thinking, create a new product. That is a benefit. So what I'm trying to say, collaboration is much more important in the automobile sector to making the sustainable product in the manufacturing efficiency, not only for the manufacturing team. If you take that collaboration leader, collaboration always important to make it over that. Then, so if that is happening, if the collaboration is happening, we can increase the electric vehicle in adoptions, advance in the collaboration. I can say here, when people have collaborated in electrical EV product, people always forget about ICE. people always towards EV. The people collaboration, market collaboration, government collaboration, I mean, Indian government collaboration. So if there people liking that, that will be increasing the product. The collaboration must more important. If it a collaboration happen, manufacturing also that high number of will produce that within the time zone with an efficient manner. That is one. So another, the future trend is, always is shift towards renewable energy. So now we've done for ice engine, diesel, gasoline, fossil fuel. Now looking for that VV also we done. Now we're looking for hybrid and hybrid. Now again already Tesla is always tested for the hydrogen engine. Then still we go ahead that. Still we other further future plan will also there. But that is set towards renewable energy we see on this future. And another for what is, I think I'm almost finding. So key finding for the implication stakeholder, understanding the impact sustainability in the automobile field. What is that? 1 second. So what is a key finding? Implications for stakeholder. So what in automobile, in industrial, so we have to practice for the testing, and then we have to implement for the manufacturing. So to implement the similar sustainability strategy to improve their market competitiveness, and collaborate is with the supplier, which is having another good way to go. Another, the role of policymaker, that is also one of the important parameter to promote the sustainable manufacturing product. Okay, so and next is the conclusions. I'm coming to the, I think most of the people, there are 1 hour 15 minutes always consuming again sustainability in the manufacturing. And now I'm coming to this the final stage of our conclusion on the sustainability in automobile industry, embracing innovative practice. What are the innovative practice? Let's see this. This is a graph. This is a picture. You easily say in stated that involve the sustainability, efficiency in improving in the sustainable future in the automobile sector. Innovative leader is much more important. Call for action, that is another important to make it happen. And investing the new technology, incorporating the technology, innovation to the technology, and finally going to this. What a wonderful world when you are drive the vehicle on this. So sustainability, if a single statement, if you want to say enhance your sustainability, increase the manufacturing efficiency, means you definitely need the sustainability practice. Then definitely need the leader which is driving for the sustainability. And then they know all the things what are the need to do, and given that leader to call for the action. So they have to try to test it, implement it. And then not only that, it's technology you have to innovate. So if you make it happen, the industrial 4.0 having a great impact in the world. Right away, the people, all industrial organization working towards and getting the greener product. That is the way it is working on right now. That is what I'm telling. The sustainability always much important in an industry. This is what I'm trying to state it to in the audience. Then lead the charge in sustainability. So as of now, what I'm sharing the knowledge, I just summarize a single word. So right away, the production, so right away the market, automobile sector, practicing the industrial 4.0 in every organization and making the sustainable product, which is having the minimal impact to the customer environment and good performance and cheaper and profitable and making the world as a greener. That is a limit over the future organization. So whatever the young engineer who are studying that, making the the application of the theoretical qualification of everything involved in this involved in the automobile field, not only all corporate sector, making that use for each and every equation, making that application oriented product. People are thinking about the equations not ever involved in this, not like that. It is involved and fine tuning that and getting the better one. So we always, the end of the year, we are in the end of the year session, end of the session as well as the end of the year and end of the FDP program. I'm living to this thought to the all FDP and the engineering people studied on my students to making making the knowledge and getting more exposed. I'm just giving the glimpse of information. I'm not putting for the entire layout and detail and all. It is not at all enough. It is not good actually when you see this very complicated when you see this and then. But a single statement, work towards the change. Again, I'm putting to the Newton first law. You have to change yourself and get the things to be done, and change always make another orbit of growth. That is what I want to leave it to you. And then second point is want to say you the love which will be there in the sustainability. If your industrial point of view, if you love the sectors, with love we can make it in everything. You have become a master of this one sustainability after the engager coming to this organization, automobile sector, coming to the field and make the product and thinking innovatively and integrating the available source into the systems and make the product with efficiency, with a sustainable manner. That is why end of the sessions, I will conclude it of now. With that, I will finish the session of anything. Thank you for everyone for listening.
Thank you very much, sir. Saravanan, sir.
Yeah. If any questions, you can post it on chat.
Yes, sir.
Or if you want to mail it, I can also give the reply on that.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Thank you for everyone for almost reaching for 61. When I started as a 21 participant, when I end up with the 61.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 60 participants are there, sir, right now. Yes, sir.
Thanks.
Participants, any questions from your end? Any queries or any questions? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, I'm audible, please. Yeah.
Yeah, can you hear me? I just had one question to Mr. Saravanan. In the recent developments,
yes, sir.
Sustainability development, there is a CVT transmission is introduced in vehicles.
Yes, continuous vehicle.
Manual transmission.
Yeah.
There is a CVT transmission is introduced in vehicles. How reliable is this? Because I had information that the CVT transmission cannot be repairable in case of any fault. It has to be replaced. Is that correct? And in that case, how sustainable is that? If any malfunction, anything happen in the CVT transmission, how we have to afford for a replacement of a transmission? The cost is merely 50% of a vehicle cost.
Yes, exactly. So there are, the product you likely say the continuous vehicle transmission. This mainly, I just want to state a statement. It will be really, I agree that is a cost impact, major cost impact. People not more like, for practicing this. But before that, there are different, manual transmission. Then it is coming to the automated manual transmission. Then it is the auto transmissions, automatic transmission. Then I get to come to the continuous vehicle transmission. So when compared to that, automated manual transmission will be better than comparatively this one. But continuous vehicle transmissions, when you press the accelerator pedal, based on the speed and torque, it will be keep on varying that. But in repairing, definitely it will be influencing on that. It is economic sustainability. Economically, it will be again one step down only. But automated manual transmission, if you're using that, it will be really good when comparatively. But ultimately, what we want is that profit. This is what you say. Yes, I agree. This is an issue for making that cost point of view. So
please, I need you research holders and developers for this as solution, because I am faced a issue with my car, even that. Car cost is around 75,000. About 35,000 is costed for to replace this CVT transmission.
Exactly.
And this is from Toyota. When we were inquired with them, they said it cannot be repairable. They have to replace it. Correct. In that case, they adopted from manual to automated and automated to another version of CVT. But economically, cost-wise, even the raw material, everything, you have to spend more again.
Exactly.
So
because when automated manual transmission, it is a manual transmission only. There are 2 cylinder they use. Select and shift table. There are 2 cylinder, master cylinder. So when you depends on the speed, depends on the torque, what will not, they will sense that and then there is a logical program is that it will activate the selective cable and automatically it will be shift the gear for 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 or wherever you want, depends on the speed. So why can't you have go that one? But we have a technology development in this, but that again research will go how to the effective way we need to do. Will it be possible that we can do that research and make it in an effective manner? That's fine.
Okay.
It is fine. Any other questions? I think people are having on chat. Are they too same? What is the question? What exactly? Supply chain management, the sustainability. This is same actually. Sustainable.
प्रैक्टिकल भी इसी के साथ करके दिखाइए.
Anything else?
मुझे अलग कर दो.
Please mute yourself. Tushar
Mute yourself, sir.
Please mute.
Yes.
So participants, any other queries from your end?
If you have any question also, no worries. You posted it. I can have whenever I get the time, I can reply it. But one point I want to, this is only for a theoretical. But totally, I'm just expecting, organizer Dr. Global. I said that if you have any kind of simulation point of view or any kind of more background on this FEM analysis, I can able to do. But ultimately, the topic is sustainability, manufacturing efficiency. I could not able to put it in the more and research and case studies on this, but it's a glimpse of this information. So if you like, let me know that. If there will be questions or anything, you can post it. See.
Yes, sir. Hello, dear participants. Anybody wants to give the feedback about the session? Please enable the video while giving this feedback. Any one of you can give this. Arun sir, can you give the feedback, sir? Sir, some participants are asking to share the materials of this FDP. Okay, sir. I'll take care, sir. I will definitely forward this materials. For all the session, I will collect the materials and I will forward it to your respective mail ID, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Sharavanan, sir.
Yeah.
Shanmugam, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I just want to add one things about these things. He given sustainability things. Mr. Saravanan gave the things good for this industrial oriented things. It is all like manufacturing facility, like a core production and other things, all the things. It is in the way it is okay. But my one suggestion is that need to add the sustainability is not only limited to industry. Anyway, the topic given to him is only for industry 4.0 implementation. But it has to be implemented to the day-to-day activities everywhere. Even in my previous session, one professor questioned me, in which industry in India we are implementing this 4.0. Actually, during the COVID pandemic time, everybody implemented the industry 4.0. Even everyone who has mobile, all things we did with the online transaction, Paytm, Google Pay, online transaction. It is all like we by knowingly, unknowingly, we have been adopted these things. That is what only my concern. So next time it should be globally, whatever it is, as a engineers, and we need the responsibility for as a global things, not only particular stream. So that is what my concern. And even I forgot to tell in my previous audio, previous session. That's it. It is a thank you and nice.
Thank you, Mr.
Nice to know.
Shanmugam. I
Thank
think
you.
now, Shanmugam, nowadays all the industrial, not only for the automobile, all industrial using this nowadays. So everybody walking towards the industrial 5, not 4.0, 5.0. Let me
Yeah.
see this. Great future, all young engineers will meet on the same.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your information.
Okay, I will stop the share now. I don't know.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Thank you
Thank
once again for all FDP participant as
Yeah.
well as the Horizon Engineering organizer as well as the principal and the department head
Yes, sir.
and the participant. Have a wonderful year ahead. So wish you happy New Year as well as wish you happy Christmas.
Thank you very
And
much,
so
sir.
thank you. Take it in the positive way and make it a New
Sure,
Year
sir.
in peaceful ways.
Yes,
Cheers
sir.
for all. Okay.
Thank you, sir, for the informative session.
Okay.
On behalf of New Horizon Management, Principal, Dean, Director, HOD, and faculties, I thank the session speaker, Mr. Sharavanan, sir, for taking his time on transferring the knowledge on the topic, case studies in enhancing the sustainability and manufacturing efficiency. It's a great learning for all of us. Thank you very much, sir. I also thank ACT ETL for giving the opportunity for conducting this program. So, dear participants, I'm now sharing this feedback and quiz link for this last session, that is the 13th session, requesting all of you to kindly fill it. And we are going to start this validatory function just after 5 minutes. So, right now it's 6:25. 6:30 we'll start the validatory function. So, I request all the participants to join the session. So, after 5 minutes, we are going to start the session. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, one question, manufacturing which area need AI for implementation informative for present technology.
Hi, sweetheart. சாப்பிட்டு குட்டி எடுத்துக்கோங்க.
ஏன் இன்னும் எலெக்ஷன் சொல்லும் போது எனக்கு ரொம்ப
எலெக்ஷன் எடுத்து நல்லா சொல்லுங்க.
பால் தட்டி விட்டுறாரு கூட அப்படியே ஒரு ஆட்டாத்தி
Gokul sir, you are unmute.
ஆனா நீங்க
கூட அப்படி பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான்.
பிரசாத் இதெல்லாம் ஆளெல்லாம் விட்டு எவ்வளவு கேட்டா அப்படி
அதான் முப்பாடு கேட்கும்.
அடி எல்லாம் கரெக்டா பாத்து கட்டணும். அது எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் மாறிச்சுனாலும்
Rakesh sir, shall I start? Piyush sir.
Yes, sir. I am in, sir. I am
Yes,
available.
thank you, sir. Available. Raju sir, can I start?
Yes, sir. Shivprakash sir, you can start, sir.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, everyone. This is Shiva Prakash, Senior Assistant Professor from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, New Horizon College of Engineering, will be the host for the validatory function. A warm welcome to all the participants, faculties, dignitaries, and the chief guest, Dr. Piyush Kumar Soni, Head Innovation, Incubation, and Entrepreneurship, New Horizon College of Engineering. Coordinator for National Innovation and Startup Policy for the validatory function of the AICT Training and Learning Atal 6 days online faculty development program from 16 December 2024 to 21st December 2024, titled Transforming Industry 4.0 with the Digital Twins, Enhancing Sustainability and Manufacturing Efficiency, organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, New Horizon College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Now, I invite the coordinator to take us through the college video. Over to you, Raju sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Shivprakash sir. Just I'll share that college video.
Are you looking for the best engineering college in Bangalore? Look no further.
New Horizon College of Engineering is the #1 choice for over 100,000 students. With a vibrant campus, top-notch faculty, industry exposure, and excellent placements,
This is your place to be. Hi, my name is Aditya, and I just got into New Horizon College of Engineering. I chose this college because of its prime location between all the major IT giants. Placement opportunities here are outstanding. With top companies visiting our campus, I'm very confident about my future prospects.
my name is Ishanati. The environment here not only fosters innovation and creativity, but also prepares us for the real challenges of the real world. Hi, I'm Arya, a second-year student. The vibrant campus life and student clubs and activities make every day enriching and exciting.
We are the innovators. We are the creators.
We are the achievers.
Thanks for watching the video. Thank you, all the participants.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I invite the chief guest, Dr. Piyush Kumar Soni, to give the closing remarks and feedback on the FDP. Over to Piyush Kumar, sir.
Thank you very much, Shiv sir. Hope I am audible to you all.
Yeah, sir, you are audible, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Gopal sir. Thank you, Rakesh sir, principal sir, and entire management of New Horizon College of Engineering. So we are again here, and as we have gone through this 6 days FDP, online FDP on Industry 4.0, and it's all relevant aspects. So all the speakers from various universities, colleges, and industries, especially, they have given a lot of valuable insights for all the participants, and I hope all the faculty members who have attended it as the participant from various corners of the country, they might have gone benefited out of all the learning exposures, and I hope it will be implemented in all the segments as we could gather some important information from all the sessions and the feedback what we have received from the participants. So it is really outstanding, and whatever exposure has been given, now hope all the faculties will be utilizing in their daily classroom teaching as well as training. Like the teacher's role is not only limited to the classroom teaching, but it is more vast, it is more important when it comes to the shop floor, basically in the industry. So let's make this FDP as one of the cornerstone into certain learning outcome, as we can implement these all things in our classroom teaching training, and as we are the mentor of various students in various colleges and universities, even when the freshers join the companies as just on probation period. So it is the responsibility of all the ecosystem which is made by all the stakeholders of this education system in engineering, especially from the managements of the colleges till principals, faculty members, HODs, and all the mentors or trainers of training and placement department. Along with this, all the industry people, including the CMO and CXOs of the company and the shop floor production plant managers, heads, HR managers, general managers. This is the responsibility of all the ecosystem holders, all the stakeholders, to develop the skills of students in more of this niche area where this Industry 4.0 has gone through this 6 days online FDP. There are so many FDPs, such kind of FDPs are already happening across the country. And I really appreciate the efforts put by all the speakers and all the organizing committee as well. Like after the COVID era, we have learned how online resources can be utilized effectively, and the channel has been still going on. And hope we all will be using more of such platforms, and ICT enabled tools will definitely help more to us. And we are thankful to the Zoom platform as well, so that they have given us such a bright opportunity so that we can connect with all the experts across the country, and all the faculty members who are the participants. They are also not least, they are also experts in their own area. Only the thing required is upskillment and reskilling, as Industry 4.0 and Institutions Innovation Council, run by Ministry of Education's Innovation Cell, is telling. Like this is the responsibility of each and everyone, how we can contribute towards more success of the education system, and the students can bring more laurels to the society of engineers. So in this era, in this line, I would like to say, like all the speakers, 13 speakers, including Dr. B. Meenakshi Sundaram from NSC College, Mr. Raja Nataraj, who gave excellent exposure of Applied Materials Private Limited, how smart manufacturing has been put on in the company, and he gave all the basics of various implementation of smart manufacturing aspects. Not only the Industry 4.0, but he gave all the aspects of production system as well. Then my session was there on integrating IoT in production process. So hope the audiences have liked it, and more applications of IoT, they could make a note of it. And Mr. Rohit Thiag Arasu, he has spoke on data analytics in manufacturing from data to insights. He is a deputy manager in Vodafone Bangalore. So all these insights were important for the big data. Big data analytics is going everywhere across the world. And now being mechanical and electrical and core electronics engineers as well, they need more of the job opportunities in the companies. And with automation, they can generate more of they are hiring prospects in the industries. And that's why it is the requirement of the time that all the faculty members across the globe can enrich the students' mindset towards more of the automation and Industry 4.0, how we can transfer it to Industry 5.0 arena as well. Then additive manufacturing was beautifully explained by Dr. Srinath MK, Associate Professor in Mechanical Department NHC. He has given all the insights of practical aspects of rapid prototyping and 3D printing. In line to this, Dr. Nagendra Jairam from Acharya Institute of Technology, Bangalore, he has also supported the additive manufacturing by explaining 3D printing in modern industry. So how this prototyping can be possible and how it can help out in making the innovative idea of a student or any team of students, faculty, and industry experts, how these innovative ideas can be converted into prototype and how the technology transfer is possible. Then cybersecurity in Industry 4.0, protecting smart factories by Dr. R. Thirukumaran from IGNOU's Knowledge Academy Private Limited, Chennai. Sir has beautifully explained about the cybersecurity. Like we are having a web of cyber theft every time, and the cybersecurity of data is also important every time. So how this can help us in Industry 4.0? This has been explained by Thirukumaran sir. Dr. MVA Raju Bahu Balendurani sir from NIT Puducherry. So sir has explained about the sustainable manufacturing strategies for eco-friendly practices. So these these strategies will definitely help out, because sustainable, as we have just undergone one last session on case studies in enhancing sustainability and manufacturing efficiency. So both we can connect and correlate, like how sustainable business, how SDG goals can be carried out. And for that, collaboration is important, as sir has told very correct. Mr. Savanand sir has told from Mahindra and Mahindra that collaboration is important, and he has put us into a hunger of good food for thought. Like where he has left us is all about the automation in the industry and how we can take it further for better future of the mechanical and electrical collaborations. Then human-robot collaboration in smart factories. As we can also see nowadays, whatever trade expos are going on, like in Bangalore also in January, IMTEX is lined up. So we can see year by year how robotics machinery are increasing in every trade expos and how robotics is helping out. More of the opportunities in employment in robotics have come forward as IoT has been implemented. And this robotics is definitely helping the human power, human efforts in the industry. And now we are having better repeatability, better accuracy, better productivities we have. And just to enhance the productivities, we have moved towards the automation. And we are very much thankful to all the practitioners of manufacturing and production in the industries, those who have made it possible for every one of us that we are into this great comfort today, and how we are making this livelihood more possible and more surviving and appealing on the planet. It is all because of Industry 4.0 and the hardcore efforts of the practitioners in the industries. So human-robot collaboration in smart factories have been explained by Dr. Maruthi NH from Altair Engineering. We have met him in our college as well, and we highly appreciate their efforts in making the smart manufacturing to the glance. Then supply chain 4.0 digital transformation in logistics has been explained by Mr. S. Naveen Kumar, the lead design engineer, Tata Elxsi, Japan. So the quality concerns, we can understand how quality is important and reliability is important, and how the Japanese philosophies and how the supply chain and logistics can be maintained, that can be managed so as to reduce the cost of supplies of information funds and goods across the boundaries of the industries, and how cluster engineering can actually help the supply chain. We can understand from the concepts of supply chain and logistics in Industry 4.0, how the management information system has become more smart using our channels of IoT and quick data transfer, so that the correctness and less chances of errors are there in the entire MIS. And this MIS is enabling from section to section of a company, from one plant to subsidiaries plant of one company, or from one cluster industrial area to second cluster area, or any special economic zone in the country. This all is made possible utilizing some smart solutions in the supply chain and logistics. So thank you, Naveen sir, for explaining all the things very beautifully. Then Mr. Magesh Gurunathan, Senior Sales Manager, Automotive Panasonic India, Bangalore. Sir has explained reskilling the workforce for Industry 4.0. As I also explained, sir has taken a very good content here. The workforce, which is the manpower, one of the 5 big M's is manpower. Manpower is most important to take care of all the production processes as well as material quality as well, including the inspection and quality control. So why workforce should be remained ahead? Why it should be remained aside? So thankful to sir that he has explained about the workforce, how reskilling can help the workforce, how upskillment can help the workforce, because workforce is majorly responsible for taking the productivity to apex level in the industry. Next was Mr. Shanmugam Veeramuthu, sir, Senior Project Manager, Regional Trading and Contracting Company, Qatar. Thank you for joining us from there, sir. Case studies and Industry 4.0 implementation. As the implementation is important and all the participants hope they might have understood more clearly by going through the use cases and case studies that sir has explained. And last but not least, case studies in enhancing sustainability and manufacturing efficiency, as I already discussed about Mr. Sarvanan sir from Mahindra and Mahindra. Thank you very much, sir, for taking us into the food for thought. I was just listening to you right now, and I just came to know that how the collaborations between the various functions of the industry, and not only this, utilizing the smart technologies and the present scenario, what all technologies we are using, including IoT, Python, artificial intelligence and machine learning, various concepts we can put together, and not only on the paper, not only in the examination books for the students, being the faculty, it is our all responsibility that we also get some upskillment and reskilling on these topics, because core mechanical, core electrical, core electronics, plus the advanced automation courses will definitely take us to the right level, and our students will be more placeable, more acceptable by the modern industry in the country and at the world level as whole. So thank you very much once again. It was really a nice experience for me as well. I have learned so many things from all the experts who joined here, and they all explained all the segments of Industry 4.0. It is not just a concept in the industry today. It is completely an ecosystem. If we take care of it very beautifully, very carefully, then definitely our mechanical engineers, our taught electrical and electronics engineers, civil engineers can also get the right packages in the company, right jobs in the company. We can generate more startups and entrepreneurs in the country. And this is how is possible by the intervene of industry in the academic line. We need more auditors from the industry for academia concepts as well. If they can audit the industry, the academic training material, and we can make one customized pattern, how we can make the students more placeable and more acceptable to the industrial society. This Industry 4.0, if it is taken care very optimistically, then definitely we can achieve the right out goal of such kind of FDPs and any kind of programs in future. So thank you very much. I'm very much thankful to all the organizers. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Venuel sir, for the detailed insight about the FTP. Now I would invite the participants to unmute and give the feedback. Sir, any participants can give the feedback on the FTP.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Shankar.
Sir. Yeah. Please go ahead, sir.
Yeah, this is Shankar from C. Abdul Hakim College of Engineering and Technology, Ranipet district. About this FTP, it's a very informative, sir, and the useful one. I really enjoy this FTP. I learned so much of things from this FTP. I once again thanks to the organizing committee to conduct this kind of wonderful FTP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Can we have one more participant to give the feedback?
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Please go ahead,
Hello.
sir. Yeah, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. First of all, I very thank to New Horizon College giving this opportunity to me, sir. Every 13th section is a very informative session. So what I feel beyond that online, it's offline is it's a very imaginative, it's a very prospective in future, sir. Try to next in FDPs in conducting in offline. It's somewhat better.
Sure,
But
sir.
beyond
We'll
that
take
is
your
online also, it's
inputs.
very good, sir. Yeah, all are very informative session, and beyond that, all the session speakers is a very given what I like as heard. Whatever real timely we are going to see in machineries as well as theoretically. So they're in insight of in PPT itself, they are showing everything, sir. So once again, thank you for giving this opportunity, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the inputs. We'll take care of offline FDP in the coming days. Sir, can we have one more participant to give the feedback?
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Myself, Tushar Diman, research scholar from Gurukul Kangde University, Haridwar. And I would like to express my heartful gratitude to all the organizers, resource person, and participant for making the faculty development program so enriching. And the session were incredibly insightful, offering a blend of theoretical knowledge and especially in the area of Industry 4.0. The interactive discussions and activities enhance our understanding and provide tools to apply in our professional endeavors. So, thankful to all for this wonderful learning experience and the opportunity to grow together. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, can we have one more last participant to give the feedback?
Hello. So am I
Yes, sir.
audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yeah, good evening, and I'm Dr. Sujit from Maharashtra. I'm from DKT's Texan Engineering Institute, Ichalkaranji, which is situated in Maharashtra. And I'm dealing with this particular Industry 4.0 and related automation subjects since last like 10 to 12 years. But sir, this workshop has really given me some really new insights. Now there are a few really like great topics, and I would really request, I hope, on behalf of all the participants, that whatever presentations were being shared, so they were really informative, and it will be like useful for both the students as well as even the faculty, and we'll definitely be using them while giving or while imparting the knowledge to the students. So even though there are a few topics which were maybe repeated in some sessions, but every speaker has had their own perspective of presenting that particular thing. So maybe about AI, for example, AI was being covered, but every expert had his own opinion. He shared something new about that particular topic, and that is why, like personally, I'm literally very much thankful to each and every speaker who has like delivered excellent sessions in this entire week. And of course, congratulations to the organizers for arranging this very wonderful workshop. So thank you so much, and for giving me an opportunity even to share my feedback. So congratulations to all of you again, and thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your feedback. And we'll be sharing the material in the group, sir, or we'll send them by mail, sir. Sir, any other faculty wishes to give the feedback, sir? Okay, thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, sir. Sure, sir. Go ahead, sir.
Okay, so I'm audible, right? Thank you so much.
Yeah, you are audible. Sir.
So,
yeah.
First of all, congratulations to the organizers, because the 6 days FDP, it was very well planned, and all the sessions, they were on time without any delay. All the speakers, they were very well prepared, and all the speakers, they were talking to the topic, whatever was assigned to them, and bringing the complete industry 4.0 on one platform that was quite visible in this FDP. Because recently I heard about industry 5.0, where human centricity, and that is the focus. Sustainability is also there, and three more terms are being used, but human centricity remains the focus. But is the industry 4.0 fully implemented or it is not fully implemented? That was always a question in my mind. But yes, from this particular FDP, many things they were cleared. Thanks to the organizers and congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. We are overwhelmed by the feedback of the participants. Now, any other participant is willing to give the feedback? Okay, thank you. Moving ahead, to the vote of thanks. It is my honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks for the EACT Atal 6 days online FDP program on behalf of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, New Horizon College of Engineering, Bengaluru. We would express our heartful gratitude as we conclude this enriching faculty development program. I feel deeply privileged to convey our sincere thanks to all the participants and those who made this program a success. I would like to extend our gratitude to the management, NHEI, Dr. Manjunatha, Principal, Dr. Sanju Sharma, Director, QAIIE, Dr. R.J. Anandi, Dean Academics, Dr. Revati, Dean R&D, all the deans and directors, HOD Department of Mechanical Engineering, Professor Rakesh C., and all the faculty members for your constant support and encouragement. A special thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Piyush Kumar Soni. I would like to extend our sincere thanks to all the resource persons and speakers whose expertise and knowledge have made an impact on us. Your contributions will undoubtedly shape our approach in the years to come. I would like to express our appreciation to the coordinator, Dr. Gopal K., and co-coordinator, Dr. Hemant Raju, whose tireless effort behind the scenes have ensured the smooth execution of this FTP. Your dedication and hard work has been truly commendable. I would like to thank all the participants for the active engagement. Your thoughtful questions and discussions have added immense value to the sessions, making this program an interactive and enriching experience. I would like to thank everyone involved in making this faculty development program a successful event. As we conclude today's program, let us carry forward the knowledge and inspiration we have gained over the past 6 days. Once again, thank you all for your time and presence. We look forward to collaborate again in the future. Have a great day ahead. Thank you. Now I request Dr. Hemant Raju sir to play a video.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the video. Now I request Dr. Hemant Raju to brief about the online feedback and quiz to be taken in Atal portal. Over to you, Dr. Hemant Raju, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So we are almost at the end of this session. So dear participants, certificates will be issued for those who fulfill the minimum criteria. So that criteria is attendance point of view. If you consider, so the mandatory it is 80%. Each participant has to get 80% of attendance. And coming to the test marks, each participant has to score 70% in the test. So that is what the eligibility criteria to get the certificates from the ACT portal. So, and one more thing here, the very important information. So all participants are requested to take the final online test in the Google form link, which I am going to post in the chat box now, and even in the WhatsApp group also. So in the form of Google form, I'm going to share that link. So all are requested to take this test without fail. So I'm going to share now. So this online form, so there is a Google form which contains 25 number of questions. So, and the time for this is around 45 minutes. I request all the participants to kindly take this particular test. So that will be considered as a final online test. So, and based upon this, okay, that certificate will be issued. Time restrictions, once again, I'm telling here, it's around 45 minutes. So within that, please try to submit the responses. So is it clear, participants? Any clarification needed with respect to this?
Sir, no need to attend that.
Thank you.
No, sir. As of now, just you fill this Google form link, sir, directly as per the sessions, previous sessions, whatever we did now, sir. The same thing, just you complete it, sir, here also.
No need to go to adult FTP.
That will take care, sir, later, because there is some small technical issues there. So that we will take care later. So please, all of you kindly fill this Google form now, sir.
Is this
Sir,
enough,
this
sir?
is Anand Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Is
Sir,
this
any
enough?
attendance update will in the
We will
portal,
take
sir?
care, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We will take care all those things, sir. Attendance as well as even the marks entry. We will take care in that portal, sir. But please, as of now, you just kindly fill this Google form, sir. That is sufficient.
Okay.
Yes,
Thanks
sir.
a lot.
Yes, sir.
Sir, attendance we will take care, sir. As well as the mark, just the Google form you have to submit, sir. So participants, everyone, just answer the questions in the Google form only, sir. It will be considered, sir. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, all the participants, dignitaries, and all the participants. Now we will be winding up the validatory function. Thank you, one and all, for your active participation. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone.